Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 1.2 question number 5. Find 5 rational numbers between number 1 is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Let us find. First of all, what do we do? We have to make the denominator same. For that, the number is 2 by 3. The number is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. First, make the denominator same. For that, you have to make the LCM of the denominator 3 and 5. That is 3 and 5 is divided by 1 only. 3, 5. Therefore, LCM is equal to 3, 5 is 15. Right? Therefore, we are making the denominator same. That is 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 3 into 5. It is also multiplied by 5, that is 2 into 5. Therefore, we are getting 2 5 is 10, 10 by 15. Right? And here you see 4 by 5. It can be multiplied by 3. 5 is multiplied by 3 to get 15. 5 into 3, and it is 4 into 3. That comes to 4 3 is 12. 12 by 15. You multiply this one 10 by 15 again with 3. Both the numerator and denominator by 3, so that we may get more numbers of rational numbers. That it is we are getting 3 10 is 30, 3 15 is 45. And here also we are getting, if we multiply by 3, what we get, you see, that is multiplied by 3, and it is also by 3. Then 3 2 is 36, 36 by 15 is 45. Now we'll get the 5 rational numbers. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers. The 5 rational numbers. The 5 rational numbers. The 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 4 by 5 are, you see, 30 by 45. Therefore, it is 31 by 45, 32 by 45, 33 by 45, 34 by 45, and 35 by 45. Now the 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are 31 by 45, 32 by 45, 33 by 45, 34 by 45, and 35 by 45. Right? These are the 5 rational numbers. I will do next problem, that is question number 2. Right? What do you do? We have to make the denominator same. After getting, here it is 10 by 15, it is 12 by 15. For that only we are getting only 11 by 15, all one rational numbers, one rational number only. For that you have to multiply it by 3, so that we will get 5 rational numbers. That is 10 3 is 30, 5 3 is 15 3 is 45, 12 and 3 is 12, 36, and 15 into 3 is 45. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers are 31 by 45, 32 by 45, 33 by 45, 34 by 45, and 35 by 45. I will do the next problem, that is question number 2. Let's do question number 2. Now, question number 2 here is, you see here, that is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and 5 by 3, 5 by 3, by 3, minus 3 by 2, and 5 by 3, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Now, you have to make the denominator same. For that, take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 2 and 3 divided by 1, that is 2, 2 and 3. Therefore, LCM is equal to 6, right? Therefore, we are getting minus 3 by 2 multiplied by 3, 3, you have to multiply it also by 3. This we are getting minus 9 by 6. And here it is 5 by 3, 5 by 3. Therefore, multiply it by 2. That is 3 into 2, 3 into 2, and 5 into 2, 5 into 2. That is 5 to the 10, 10 by 6. So we are getting minus, the first one we are getting as minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6, right? Therefore, the 5, therefore the 5 rational numbers, therefore the 5 rational numbers, that the 5 rational numbers, the 5 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between minus 9 by 6, 6 and 10 by 6 and 10 by 6 are minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6 are, that is minus 8 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, that is minus 1, minus 6 by 6, and that is equal to minus 1, minus 6 by 5, minus 5 by 6, 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 4 by 6. Therefore, we are getting the 5 rational numbers between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6 are minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, right? Now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is, we will delete this one. We will solve question number 3. In question number 3, the numbers are 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here it is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. First of all, we have to find the LCM of 4 and 2. Let us take the LCM of 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2. Divided by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 1 is 2. Therefore, LCM is equal to 4. First, we will make the denominator same. Therefore, LCM is 4. The 1 by 4 is written as 4 into 1, 1. It is 1 into 1. That is 1 by 4. and 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 can be written as multiply with 2, 2 into 2 and 1 into 2, 1 into 2, that is 2 by 4, 2 by 4, right, 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Now this can be presented as, if we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 8, 8 is also multiplied by 8 and denominator is also multiplied by 8, we are getting 8 by 4 8 is 32, and this is equal to, if we multiply it with 8, multiply both the numbers with 8, numerator and denominator 8 and 8, then you are getting 8 is 16 by 4 8 is 32. To find more rational numbers, because it is 1 by 4, it is 2 by 4, we are not getting any rational number between them, right? Now if we multiply with 8, then we are getting 8 by 32 and this is 16 by 32. Now we will get many rational numbers between them. Therefore the 5 rational numbers, therefore the 5 rational numbers, the 5 rational numbers between the 5 rational numbers between 8 by 32, 32 and 16 by 32 and 16 by 32 are 8 by 32, therefore it will be 9 by 32, 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32, 11 by 32, 12 by 32, 12 by 32 and 13 by 32 and 13 by 32. Right, here we got 5 rational numbers. What do we do? You have to make the denominator same first. We are getting 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. To make, here we are not getting direct rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. That's why you have to multiply it by 8 numerator and denominator. Right, we are getting 8 by 32 and getting 16 by 32. Therefore the 5 rational numbers between 8 by 32 and 16 by 32 are 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32, 12 by 32 and 13 by 32. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.